So when we log into our field ops at fieldops.caseih.com, we'll go to sign in. We'll log in with our credentials. If you've already been logged in, it'll jump you right to the landing page. Here, once everything loads in, we'll go to setup on the left-hand side, the gear. We're going to go to company. We'll go to linked accounts. Bottom right-hand corner, we'll click the plus. This is where we enter your agronomist, your advisor, whoever's email, your dealer, your PFS specialist, your email. So here's our example one. And then we'll give them access. So read write means give them editing permission. So with this, if your agronomist loads in prescriptions, they can also send those prescriptions to the tractor. So you don't have to log back in. If you give read only, this only gives the guest email, the guest certain access to the account. You can change these permissions anytime, but when you do give access to someone, you need to let them know, and they need to have a field ops account. They just can't view it. There's nothing that's going to sit in their email that says, hey, you have access. It's just going to be in a different part, and I'll show you that next. So we're going to give read write, save. If you had another one, you can just click save and add another. So when we do that, you can see other ones. If you go here to your initials on the right-hand side, this is how you can jump to linked accounts. So when someone makes you a linked account, the linked accounts will show up underneath your name. So you'd be able to see all your customers and jump in and back and forth in their accounts. This is very helpful on my end as the dealership part, so I can jump in, remote into the display, also looking at the data in field ops and trying to troubleshoot that way. Any other questions? Don't be afraid to reach out.